Hey guys, welcome sa ato ang YouTube channel. Ang atong topic karon guys, mga formula ni siya sa differential calculus. So mo ni ang kinahanglan nato ma-memorize para dali ra ta makasolve og mga problems sa differential calculus. So diri ta mag-start sa letter A, derivatives, derivatives of algebraic functions. So diri ta sa number 1. Number 1 is derivative of UV with respect to x. So ang u ug v diri guys mga variables ni siya. Pasabot gali sa variable mag-utro-utro. So kung dili siya mag-utro-utro ang tawag ana constant. So sa diri na part variable ni siya guys. So ang formula niya is u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So mo na inyong i-memorize guys basta ingon ani gali nga porma sa problem. Tapos number 2 is derivative of u over v with respect to x. So mura gyapon guys ang u ug v dire variables gyapon ni guys. So ang formula niya is v du over dx minus u dv over dx all over v squared. So mo ni siya guys ha, inyong i-memorize. Tapos number 3, derivative of u to the power of n with respect to x. So ang n dire guys, mao ni siya ang constant guys. So pasabot sa constant dili siya mag-utro-utro, so magpabilin ra siya. So ang formula niya guys is n u to the power of n minus 1 du over dx. So dirita proceed ta sa next part sa letter B. So derivatives of trigonometric functions. So proceed ta diri guys. So number 1, derivative of sin u with respect to x. So ang u diri guys variable gyapon ni guys. So ang iyang formula is cosine u du over dx. Tapos number 2, derivative of cosine u with respect to x. So ang iyang formula is negative sin u du over dx. Tapos number 3, derivative of tangent u with respect to x. So ang iyang formula guys is secant squared u du over dx. So next number 4, derivative of cotangent u with respect to x. So ang iyang formula guys is negative cosecant squared u du over dx. Tapos number 5, derivative of secant u with respect to x. So ang iyang formula guys is secant u tangent u du over dx. Tapos number 6, derivative of cosecant u with respect to x is equal to negative cosecant u cotangent u du over dx. So mo na siya guys ang mga formulas sa trigonometric functions. So proceed ta dire sa Letter C, derivatives of exponential functions. So, dirita sa number 1, derivative of e to the power of u with respect to x. So, ang a nato dire guys is constant siya guys. Meaning, di siya mag-utro-utro. Tapos, ang u dire guys is variable. So, pasabot, mag-utro-utro siya. So, ang iyang formula is AU ln A du over dx. Next, number 2 guys is derivative of EU with respect to x. So, ang a dire guys is constant na siya guys ha. Tapos, ang u is variable. So, ang iyang formula is EU du over dx. Tapos, number 3, derivative of u to the power of b with respect to x. So, ang u ug b dire guys, mga variable ni siya guys. So, ang iyang formula is v uv minus 1 du over dx plus uv ln u dv over dx. So, proceed ta diri sa letter D. Derivatives of logarithmic functions. So, dirita sa number 1. So, derivative of logarithm base a of u with respect to x. So, ang a dire guys is constant gihapon tapos ang u is variable. So, ang yang formula is logarithm of base a of e du over dx over u. So, mo na ang yang formula guys. Tapos, dirita sa number 2. So, derivative of ln u with respect to x. So, ang yang formula guys is du over dx over u. Tapos, number 3, derivative of logarithm base 10 of u with respect to x. So, ang yang formula is logarithm base a of e du over dx over u pag yun guys, u. So, mo na yang formula. Next, proceed ta diri sa letter E. Derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. So, dirita sa number 1, derivative of arc sine u with respect to x. So, ang iyang formula guys is du over dx over square root of 1 minus u squared. So, ano yung formula guys? Number 2, derivative of arc cosine u with respect to x. So, ang yung formula, negative du over dx over square root of 1 minus u squared. Tapos, there is a number 3, derivative of arctan u over dx or with respect to x. So, iyang formula du over dx 1 plus u squared. So, mo na yung formula guys. Tapos, number 4, derivative of arc cotangent u with respect to x. Ang iyang formula is negative du over dx over 1 plus u squared. Tapos, dirita sa number 5, derivative of arc secant u with respect to x. So, ang iyang formula du over dx over u square root of u squared minus 1. Tapos, dirita sa number 6, derivative of arc cosecant u with respect to x. So, ang formula guys is negative du over dx over u square root of u squared minus 1. Next, proceed ta diri sa letter F. So, derivatives of hyperbolic functions. So, dirita sa number 1, derivative of sin hyperbolic u with respect to x. So, ang u diri guys, variable gyapon ni guys. Ang iyang formula is cosine hyperbolic u du over dx. Next, number 2, derivative of cosine hyperbolic u with respect to x. So, ang iyang formula guys is sin hyperbolic u du over dx. Next, number 3, derivative of tangent hyperbolic u with respect to x is equal to secant hyperbolic squared u du over dx. So, muna siya guys. Next, dirita sa number 4, derivative of cotangent hyperbolic u with respect to x is equal to negative cosecant hyperbolic squared u du over dx. So, muna yung formula guys. Tapos, number 5, derivative of secant hyperbolic u with respect to x is equal to negative secant hyperbolic u tangent hyperbolic u du over dx. Tapos, ang pinakalas, number 6, derivative of cosecant hyperbolic u with respect to x is equal to negative cosecant hyperbolic u cotangent hyperbolic u du over dx. So, mo ni ang iyang mga formula guys. So, tana na inyong nasabtan sa atong topic karon guys. Kung na inyong mga gusto na mga topic na i-discuss nato diri guys, so mag-comment ra mo guys para atong i-discuss sa next nato na mga video. So, salamat sa inyong paglantaw guys.